A new storm is going to hit Japan. Kong-Rey is the typhoon's name, and here you see some video footage of it. It is bringing strong winds and heavy rain. It is the second typhoon that is hitting Japan within 1 week. This time it might also go to South Korea. Flights have to be cancelled and passengers won't be able to leave Japan. Here you can see how powerful this typhoon is. The sea is very rough and huge waves will hit the coast. The fire department has to work non-stop for days. A few convenience stores are still on business under the storm, but they have many empty shelves even before the typhoon arrived. The monorail and public transportation system is out of service during the storm. Only few taxis can be used. Except for a few convenience stores, everything else is closed, like this cinema. The food court and all fast food places closed in the afternoon before the storm arrived. You should get prepared and buy some groceries in the supermarket before. And don't forget to get a ramen instant soup because it will sell out first. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel.